6 divided by 1 times 6 divided by 6, and 6 divided by 6 which equals to 1, and 1 times 1 is equals to 1, and 6 divided by 1 which equals to 6. Do you think this is the right answer? Actually this is not the right answer, actually not the right way. And if you found the right answer, then comment your answer to get feature here. We will rewrite our question here. 6 divided by 1 times 6 divided by 6, like this. And we will take help of PEMDAS here, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Here we can see there are 3 operations, this division, multiplication and division, and all, as we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. As we can see, there are no other operation other than the multiplication and division, so we have to operate left to right. So first we have to operate this division part, that is 6 divided by 1 which equals to 6. So we can write here 6 divided by 6 like this. Okay, now again we have to operate left to right. So 6 times 6 which equals to 36 divided by 6, and 36 divided by 6 which equals to 6. So here you can see that this answer matches, but this is not the right way. So always follow the right way to get the right answer. So if you found this video entertaining, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.